Hi everyone, today I'm going to read you a story, Little Bear Breakfast. Little Bear's mommy was in bed with the flu, so Daddy Bear will leave, so make breakfast for two. You and I, Little Bear, have a feast to prepare. Daddy gave Little Bear a few eggs to break, while he mixed the batter for a stack of pancakes. Daddy, Daddy, listen to me. Some shells fell into the eggs. Do you see? Daddy Bear poured the eggs, shells and all in a skillet. Then he took the tea kettle to the faucet to fill it. Oh, the shells are the best part. I'm sure you'll agree. It will all be delicious. Just leave it to me. Daddy gave Little Bear 4 bread slices to butter while he worked on his pancakes and made a great clutter. Daddy, Daddy, listen to me. The eggs are turning brown. Do you see? Daddy went to the toaster and dropped in the bread. Then he gave Little Bear a soft pat on the head. Oh, the browner the better. I'm sure you'll agree. It will all be delicious. Just leave it to me. Daddy set down the kettle on the stove with a clatter, then onto a griddle, lump and all, he poured batter. Daddy, Daddy, listen to me. The toaster is starting to smoke. Do you see? Smoke filled the kitchen with a terrible smell, but Daddy Bear acted as if all were well. Oh, the smoke has a great taste. I'm sure you'll agree. It will all be delicious. Just leave it to me. At last the two sat down and each took a bite. Their eyes filled with tears and their tummies grew tight. Daddy, Daddy, listen to me. I think we should eat out. I'm sure you'll agree. The end. I hope you enjoy this story. See you next time.